right, on this episode of Mendoza Monday, we're going to be looking at crawler tips. Not just any crawler tips, the Suttner brand crawler tips. We're going to be talking about the bullets, the milling sewer nozzles, and the rotating nozzle that we carry here at Summit. So stay tuned. All right, first we got the bullets in different sizes, 3/8, ½ inch, and 1 inch. So now we have the milling sewer nozzles. Now these have 4 jets in the front and 6 in the back. They come in 3/8, ½ inch, and 1 inch. Now these ones are designed for a more aggressive nozzle if you have to blow culverts. So if you have to blow a lot of solids out the front, and then if you need to retract at the same time, these milling sewer nozzles are made for abuse. They're made for ice conditions and all sorts of rough terrains, as you could see. And yeah, we have these in stock. All right, lastly, we have this rotating sewer nozzle. It's more meant for pulling debris. As you could see, this head rotates. There's 3 jets. It sounds like a B sound, but usually this is more meant for retracting waste. So if it goes down a hole, a pipe, it's great for pulling debris out. Okay, now we're going to be just testing briefly what a sewer nozzle looks like. We're going to be using low pressure water, like garden hose pressure, but I want to show you how the water leaves these nozzles and how beneficial they are to your hydrovac company. All right, here's an example of our bullet sewer nozzle. As you can see, it has 6 jets in the back, 1 jet forward. Again, we're using garden hose pressure. I highly suggest you use this for culverts, ice, you name it, anything that takes a long time to thaw. A lot of heat forward and a lot of heat back, and it's good for forward and retraction. All right, so this is our milling sewer nozzle. We're using garden hose pressure for safety, but as you can see, there's 6 jets in the back, 4 in the front. So imagine if these go into a culvert, they'll do a lot of damage. If you need an aggressive sewer nozzle, then the milling is where it's at. Okay, now this is the rotating sewer nozzle. Reminder, there's no jet in the front. This is only meant to retract and rotate and break up solids. This is how it'll look like. It'll spin. 3 jets in the back, perfect for pulling back and breaking debris up and just pulling it out of your culvert pipes. So here you'll see the tip rotating, and you can go forward, retract, you name it, but it's great for breaking up material and pulling out all your culverts, your pipes, and yeah, give it a shot. All right. If you like what you see, give us a shout here at Summit Truck Equipment Canada. We have locations in Bradford, Ontario, Red Deer, Alberta, Canada. Check out our supply of Suttner crawler tip nozzles. Remember, we have the bullets in all different sizes, the milling, and we have the rotating nozzle. Anyways, we got what you need. Call us. Happy Monday.